Good morning, physics fans. Most of you are working on your acceleration lab, and I just wanted to do a mini tutorial quickly to reinforce the vocab terms of absolute and relative error. So I've drawn a physical target, thrown a shot. There's what we've got to work with, right? It's a physical representation of the concepts. So I drew a circle randomly, and oh, nice and convenient, 23 centimeters. That's an awkward number. Anyway, we can work with it. All right, so what is my absolute error? My absolute error is I missed the target by how much? I take my calibrated stick, aka ruler, and I measure center to mark, and it's 6.5 centimeters. That's my answer. Just how far did I miss? That's absolute error. Right? So what's the relative error? Right? So relative error and again, you have the definitions from the post, making sense of numbers, first week of school, week 1, that post from University of Carolina. Right? Those definitions are there as well. All right, so what is my relative error? Well, what is my measurement? So how far did I miss by? Right? So 16.5 centimeters. Right? As it relates to the target value of 23 centimeters. Right? As part of the whole, and the whole is 23 centimeters. Right? And then I want that expressed as a percent, so it's times 100. All right, so I fire up my calculator, 16.5 minus 23 divided by 23. All right, make sure you use parentheses or hit the equal button because you don't want a PEMDAS error. Negative 0.28, so that would be 28, and the rule for significant figures for percent, anything beyond 2 places is really insignificant, so 0.26%. And that's a negative. Do I freak out because it's a negative number? No. It means that I fell 28% short of reaching the target. So let's say I was throwing from this direction. Right? If I was throwing from the other direction, right, I would be measuring the 23 plus, right? So I'd get a positive indication. So that's where the frame of reference piece is. I measured from this side in, so that's why I have a negative. I fell short by 28%. Hopefully that helps you guys make sense of this. And if not, I'm always around to answer more questions. Over now.